Hello students, welcome to online English class. Today we shall discuss session 3, that means the post reading of the topic the Olympic champion and the dogs of 8th class English. Now let us discuss. One, A. Fill in the blanks. Bobby Pierce belongs to dash. Its answer is Bobby Pierce belongs to Australia. Question number 2. He won the first race when he was dash. Its answer is he won the first race when he was 6. Then question number 3. He went to participate in the Olympic Games for the first time in 1928. Question number 4. When Bobby saw the dogs, he dashed. Its answer is he slowed down. Question number 5. Bobby won a race and Bobby won dash. Its answer is a race and everybody shot. Then B. In number B, a task has been given to match the sentences from the two columns. There are two columns, column A and column B. In column A, it is written what is said, and in column B, the names who said. Bit 1 of column A, he won the goodwill of the children of Amsterdam. It will join the he won the goodwill of the children of Amsterdam. It was said. And who said this? It is the Dutch newspaper. That means when he saved the lives of the dogs without bothering about his success, then the Dutch newspaper quoted that he won the goodwill of the children of Amsterdam. Then bit 2, 6 are. Here it was told 6 are, and who told this? Bobby. Bobby himself told this when Bobby won the first race in rowing or in sculling. One of the judges asked, "What is your age?" That time Bobby said 6 sir. Then bit 3, Bobby is that kind of look. It was said, and who said this? Bobby's friends said this when Bobby saved the lives of the dogs in the Olympic final, not bothering about his success. Then only his friends, his Australian friends who knew Bobby, told that Bobby is that kind of look. Then bit 4, how old are you, Bobby? It was told, how old are you, Bobby? And who told this? One of the judges told this, how old are you? This is the event of when Bobby won a race at the age of 6. Then we shall move to the writing. Here is answer the following questions. Where was Bobby Pierce born? Its answer is Bobby Pierce was born in Australia. Bit 2. At what age did he learn to row boats? Its answer is he learned to row boats at the age of 5. Here in the question, did plus present tense of the verb is used, so in the answer it changes to did plus present verb changes to past verb. Did learn changes to learned. Then question number bit 3, at what age did he win the first race? Its answer is he won the first race at the age of 6. Question number bit 4, in which year did he participate in the Olympic Games? Its answer is he participated in the Olympic Games at the age of 21 in 1928. Question bit 5. How did Bobby win the hearts of everyone? Its answer is not bothering about the success. Bobby saved the lives of dogs and ducklings, so he won the hearts of everyone. That means Bobby first wished to save the lives of the dogs and ducklings who came in course of their boat racing. Although he was not sure whether he would win or not in the final, yet he first saved the lives of the dogs and ducklings, and then picked up his boat racing and also won the race. Then B. Write 5 sentences about Bobby. 5 or 6 sentences. Let us write. Bobby Pierce was born in Sydney in Australia. He was the son of a great sculling champion. He used to row around Sydney Harbour in his childhood. He won his first race at the age of 6. By he was 20, he became the sculling champion of Australia. He preferred saving the lives of dogs to his success. In these 6 sentences, we have come to some new sentences used to. Here used to. If first was born is in the passive form. That means the verb bear. In the present it is bear. In the past it is bore. bear bear, bore bore, and born born. Present tense it is bear bear. In the past tense it is bore bore, and is in the past participle it is born born. Bear means to give birth. He bear a child. That means he give birth a child. It's then bore bore means gave birth, and born means had given birth. That means Bobby Pierce was born in Sydney in Australia. Was born it is in the passive form, and if it is in the past tense, it is in the past tense. Bobby's mother bore Bobby. Bobby's mother bore Bobby, and it is in the passive form. Bobby Pierce was born in Sydney in Australia. Then the second verb used to. If we had been doing anything or any practice for a long time, then only used to is used. He used to row around Sydney Harbour in his childhood. That means every day he began to row around Sydney Harbour. Every day he began to row, and every day he rowed, and this is written as he used to row. If used to is used, then the next verb should be in the present form. That means he used to row, he used to bath, he used to sing, he used to play. Ramo used to play in football in his childhood. If any act or any behavior was done every day or repeatedly, then in that case used to is used. But if any act is done not repeatedly or often, then in that case would is used. That means let us discuss the use. The teacher used to come to our house every day, but he would go away leaving his umbrella. That means he every day he came, so he used to come. The teacher used to come our house every day. That means every day he came to our house. So it is used, it is written as he used to come to our house every day. But he often go away leaving his umbrella. So in that case it is written as the teacher used to come to our house every day, but the teacher used to come to our house every day. He would go away leaving his umbrella. That means every day he did not leave. Often he left. So it is told that the teacher used to come to our house every day. He would go away leaving his umbrella. Then the next is preferred. If we compared two things, then only we used preferred. That means the better or the prettier or the lovelier is used first, and the second was in the second. I preferred coffee to tea. That means I preferred coffee. Between coffee and tea, I preferred more coffee than and not tea. So it is used I preferred coffee to tea. Similarly here, he preferred saving the lives of dogs to his success. This ends the online class. Thank you.